We are so grateful that the Greater Washington Community Foundation saw fit to award Greater Baton funding to help with our response to the coronavirus pandemic.
We're very proud and fortunate to be a nonprofit partner to the Greater Washington Community Foundation. With their emergency COVID relief, we have been able to support our community during this very difficult pandemic year.
We were very blessed in order to get a COVID-19 relief grant from the Community Foundation, the Greater Washington Community Foundation, and we're so very grateful for it.
During these unprecedented times, we have seen an immense amount of need met by inspiring generosity of neighbors helping neighbors. Our community has come together for the COVID-19 emergency response. Your support and partnership allowed us to make strategic investments into our region's nonprofits so that they could respond quickly to the health and economic needs of our community. Together, we helped local nonprofits expand critical services to serve more families who were facing hardships.
Thanks to the COVID-19 Emergency Response Fund from the Greater Washington Community Foundation, Lars was able to provide emergency rental and utility assistance to help prevent evictions and lift the burden for Prince George's County residents.
We are thankful for the grant from the Community Foundation. It has allowed us to provide PPEs, hygiene, and toiletry kits to youth and the families that we are servicing.
Our Community Foundation COVID relief funding allowed for us to provide PPE gear to our frontline workers, and also emergency food relief to our homebound seniors, and also to our community members who tested positive for COVID and who are quarantining.
This would not have been possible without the support of donors like you. You helped feed families in need. You helped support survivors of domestic violence. You helped provide emergency relief to displaced workers. You helped extend educational opportunities for low-income students. You helped provide shelter and services to people experiencing homelessness. You helped equip frontline workers and expand medical care for marginalized communities. Without our efforts, this pandemic would have been catastrophic for many of our nonprofits and many of our neighbors. Thank you for helping us fight the good fight against poverty, hunger, injustice, and inequities with passion and vigor in the face of a pandemic that has upended daily routines and impacted communities across the world. We would like to say thank you.
Your support means the world to our neighbors in need.
Thank you again to the Community Foundation for their ongoing support.